Hey everyone, have you ever fumbled with your wallet in a crowded line, desperately searching for cash or the right credit card? Or maybe you've experienced the sinking feeling of realizing you left your debit card at home. In today's digital world, paying with your phone is all the rage. It's convenient, secure, and often lets you earn rewards points. But what if there was an even better way to manage your business expenses, a way that offered more control and flexibility? Enter Airwallex. It's a financial platform designed specifically for businesses, offering features like international payments, virtual cards, and expense management tools. Sounds pretty cool, right? But before you jump in, a crucial question arises: is there a minimum deposit required to use Airwallex? That's exactly what we'll be diving into today. We'll explore Airwallex's pricing structure, unpack the whole minimum deposit concept, and see if it applies to you. So, stick around and get ready to streamline your business finances. Let's talk minimum deposits. What's the deal? Now, the concept of a minimum deposit can be a bit confusing. Typically, you'd encounter it with things like bank accounts or prepaid cards. The idea is that you need to deposit a certain amount of money up front before you can start using the service. It acts as a sort of initial investment or security measure. So, does Airwallex require a minimum deposit? The good news is there's no minimum deposit required to sign up for an Airwallex account. That's right, you can create a free account and explore the platform's features without putting down any money up front. This is a great way to test the waters and see if Airwallex is the right fit for your business needs. But wait, there's more to the story. While there's no upfront deposit, it's important to understand Airwallex's transaction model. Here's the breakdown. Funding your account, you'll need to add money to your Airwallex account before you can start making payments or using its features. There are several ways to do this, including bank transfers, debit card top-ups, and even international transfers. While there's no minimum deposit to access the platform, the minimum transfer amount might vary depending on your chosen funding method. Transaction fees. Airwallex charges transaction fees for certain services. These fees can vary depending on the type of transaction and the currency involved. For example, sending an international payment might have a different fee structure compared to using a virtual card for a domestic purchase. The bottom line, flexibility over upfront costs. So, while there's no minimum deposit to use Airwallex, you'll still need to fund your account before making transactions. The good news is that Airwallex offers a variety of funding options, giving you the flexibility to manage your finances the way you see fit. Here's a quick recap. No minimum deposit required to sign up for Airwallex. Minimum transfer amounts might apply depending on your funding method. Transaction fees exist for certain services. Is Airwallex right for you? This depends on your specific business needs. If you're looking for a convenient and flexible way to manage your business finances, especially if you deal with international transactions, Airwallex could be a great option. With its free account and no upfront costs, it's definitely worth exploring. Remember, do your own research and compare Airwallex with other platforms before making a decision. There are plenty of options out there, so find the one that best suits your business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.